Welcome to Rabbit and Rose. I am Annie and today I'm going to open with you the LootCrate SANRIO subscription box. This is the box for the summer and I got it a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago maybe, but I haven't opened it. The seal is unbroken because I haven't had the time to film and I haven't been feeling that upbeat to do a video. That's the reason why I haven't posted a video in so long. So let's hope that changes. But today, at least, we're gonna open these together. The LootCrate plus Sanrio subscription box comes out every 3 months. It's every quarter, and like I said, this is the one for the summer. I don't even know what the theme is. They always have a theme. I don't know what it is for this one. Let's see if it tells us. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, it's a mermaid! Oh, it's so beautiful. It doesn't say what the theme is. It should have a little trinket present here somewhere. I don't see it. But anyways, it comes with this really pretty paper and a Hello Kitty bow sticker. Let's open it. Oh, here's the trinket. I always get excited for these. Oh, it's on my Melody something. Let's open this first. It looks like it's a sticker book. Comes in a super tiny baggie. Let me open it. This is just like a little extra something, but I love them always. They're super cute. And mine this time is my Melody. Oh yes, it's like a little accordion of stickers. I love my Melody. She's so pretty. But going back to the box, if we open the seal here, oh, it's cute. Ta-da! What do you see? It looks like it's all mermaid theme. Okay, I'm back. The battery of my camera was dying. So this is how it looks inside. I'm really excited because I love mermaids. So like Hello Kitty mermaid is a dream. Let's see. This is something super cute that I already picked that. Look. Ah! How adorable is this? It's a little Hello Kitty mermaid plush. And her tail is multicolor. She's perfect. She's got a little dangle here, maybe for a keychain or for your backpack. She is so pretty. I love it. I love her. There's another mermaid thing here that I looked. The color is awesome. It's a teal t-shirt, not a t-shirt, like a tank top. And this is the design right there. All mermaid theme. It kind of looks like the little mermaid castle right there. And he has, I can't remember his name. Hangyodon Tuxedosam, My Melody, little twin stars, and Hello Kitty. It's so pretty. Hopefully it's not too large for me. It's extra small, but it kind of looks big. Do you love it? I kind of like it. It's cute. Let's see what else is in here. What is this? This is so pretty. Let me show you. And it's iridescent. Look. A little pouch with the same mermaid design. It's super pretty and it's iridescent. Do you see how pretty? And look at the zipper pull. It's a little seashell. It's adorable. I love it. And it's plasticky, but it's so pretty. I love the color. It's awesome. Love it. And what else? these boxes felt kind of small. Ooh. We got pins. On the last box for spring, we got the same type of pins. But last time the theme was naturally cute. This one is more like a sea theme. How pretty is it? Who can tell me his name? Tell me his name. I have no idea. I kind of know, but it's hard to pronounce. Hello Kitty as a mermaid and Tuxedosam, and they're like fabric. They're really, really pretty. Love them. And that's it. Only 4 things. The last thing that is here is a little note from LootCrate to share with you. Oh, okay. So I was saying there are not too many things in here, but on these little letter from LootCrate, they are saying that there is one more super cute item, but it needs more time to arrive. So that's nice. A little extra surprise hopefully on its way. Okay, I'll read this later. And the last thing is the poster that we always get. This one looks so pretty. And in the back, it tells you all the things that we got, which is the little pouch, multi-character toiletry pouch, the Hello Kitty mermaid plush, the multi-character tank top, the trinket, which in my case was a My Melody, and oh, the pins. And I guess this is what we're going to be getting later on in the mail. Multi-character, I don't know how to pronounce that word. Sarong. I guess it's like for the beach, over your bathing suit. We'll have to wait and see what it looks like when it comes. So I guess we'll be doing a little update, maybe an Instagram update. So be looking for that. And this is the poster that is always so cute. I feel like I need to frame these and put them somewhere. They're so pretty. So that was it for today. Super fast unboxing. But before you leave, let's flip these boxes around to see how it looks. Flipped. Oh, big smile. Oh, I guess this is the theme. Splash is the theme. And if you flip the box around, it looks like this. On all 4 sides. It's super cute. So I guess if you wanted to, you could keep it to store adorable items. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and I hope you come back for my next video. I am preparing a crafty DIY. I have the materials. I know what I want to do in my mind. I just have to start doing it. So come back for that one. Hopefully next week. Hopefully soon, actually. If you love Hello Kitty, if you love kawaii items, and if you are a crafter or you want to be a crafter, or you just enjoy seeing how things are made, then maybe you should subscribe. If you do, this case is for you. I'll see you next time.